Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about hovering effect on product link. There are three options given for product menu link: on click, hover, and hover and redirection. This options will be available to all links which has submenu like product, category group, login as pop-up. If we take cursor to product link, with hovering effect it will display automatically without clicking on it. Let's see how to set it in admin. Click on Store Personalization. Click on Links. Click on Action and Edit on Product Link. Here you will see submenu link style. On click, it will same as previously available, like you need to click on link and it will open. Hover is like you just take the cursor to the link, and it will open without click. Hover and redirection, it will work same as hover, but when you click over it, it will redirect you to the respective page. This submenu link style will be available for all links which has submenu. Thank you. If you have any concern, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com.